Good afternoon. So we've got half an hour before the US come in and Wall Street opens. I'm looking at this S&P, and everywhere I look, people are calling it up. Obviously, being a technical trader, I have to look at it from mainly a different point of view. Now, we have broken that uptrend we've seen that was in place from the middle of last year, and we have not been able to get above it. See how it's just kissed that trend channel and failed. Now, that's to say, isn't to say that it can't keep going. However, this is what I'm looking at. We've made a new high yesterday of 69.62, and our indicators are not at new highs. So we've got divergence. Now, what technical traders look for is divergence in a market. It's what we trawl through charts looking for something like this. Although not a particularly fantastic chart pattern, you can still draw a trend line on here and you just connect, or a carol line, whatever you want to call it. You start breaking down below here and you've got those two moving averages coming in at 6869 and 6821. That intersects with that trend line. I'm telling you, if it breaks under current market conditions where everybody is thinking the same way, that is always 90% of the time a recipe for disaster. Okay, you want some alternative view, and it seems that I'm providing the alternative view. 7,000 is going to be a big resistance level. Markets go to round figuritis. So if we do hold where we are currently and make a run for 7,000, obviously you're going to see stops come out buying above yesterday's high. So that's one thing to note. Keep in mind that these technical indicators, all three of them, are showing negative tendencies, but at the moment we're being supported by those three important moving averages that we look at, which is the 9, 18 and 50 day. That's supporting it. And also coming into play is that line here. All right. Do your pivot points, look at your Fibonacci retracement figures, but just keep that in mind. And let's have a look, see if we can see confirmation in any other of the US markets. Nasdaq, again, showing the same sort of pattern. Diverging, market didn't make a new high. Our high was over here, okay, on the 12th of December, and that came in at 25,813. Yesterday's high was 25,843. So nearly, not quite. So, and it closed at the low. Another thing to be aware of, markets don't like that sort of thing. Look at the action here. It did exactly the same thing. Didn't know what way it was going. Bang, down we come. You can again put another trend line on. Same thing. Just connect these two lows. If it hits the third time, great. If it doesn't, and this one actually does. So here's your value area on the Nasdaq. Look at those moving averages. I can tell you what they are now. They're 25,531, 25,384, 25,367. Your trend line intersects with them today at 25,258. Okay, that's enough from me today. Good luck. I will catch you all tomorrow.